Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you my dog. She's adorable. Okay, come on, let's go. Where's that? Wow. Oh, there. Hello, Betsy. Did you see the word to the camera? Hi. He's interested in something. Hi, Betsy. Do you like the camera? Do you like the camera? I'm going to get a seat. So. Stay. So yes, this is my dog Betsy. She's adorable, isn't she? Hello, I'm Betsy. You want to be on camera too? She's very special to me. Wait, Betsy. She wants to leave. Go on. That's my dog. Betsy, why are you? She wants to play. Okay, want to play? You want to play? Give me. You want to play? Drop, drop, drop. Give. Come on, come on. Ooh, be careful. So yeah, this is Betsy, my dog. Betsy, you need to drop. Give. Sit. Say hello. You're adorable. Okay, Betsy, I need your stars. Toy. Sorry about that. Are you adorable? Yes, you are. Betsy. Bed. So I can film her easier. Don't growl at me. No. Hello. Here's Betsy. She's very mad at me for some reason. Hi. Hello, little girl. Is it showing you? Whoa. Did you see yourself? Whoa, baby. She's adorable. Hello. Oh, she's licking me. Oh, Betsy. Good girl. Lay down. Oh, lay down. Good girl. Can you roll over? Roll over. Betsy, roll over. Daddy, I think she's trying to do roll over, but it's too small. Dad.
Hi, Roxy, I'm working, yeah.
Go. Love you. Okay, see you all next time. Good. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button. And I'll see you all next time. Good. Bye. Say bye, Betsy. Bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Good girl.